In today's video, I'm going to show you ChimeraOS review, the firmware override risk they don't warn you about 2026. In 2026, ChimeraOS remains one of the most talked about Linux-based gaming operating systems because it promises a Steam Deck-style console experience on your own PC, but there are important technical risks that many general guides gloss over. ChimeraOS itself is a specialized, immutable OS focused on gaming, with an interface built around Steam and limited support for installing typical desktop software, making it unsuitable as a daily driver for most users. Many community posts describe installation problems, hardware compatibility issues, and unusual boot behavior, such as systems getting stuck at BIOS or only booting into ChimeraOS without access to other drives, which reflects a steep learning curve for non-experts. A key point of concern flagged by independent reviewers and recent video analyses is the optional firmware override feature. ChimeraOS includes the ability to enable DSDT and EDID firmware overrides that patch quirks in ACPI tables or display setups on certain devices like handheld consoles. These overrides modify how your system firmware, the low-level code, your BIOS, UEFI runs, interacts with the OS. While the developers intentionally disable these overrides by default and require users to choose Advanced Install or manually enable them, the process involves making system-level changes that could impact stability or future firmware updates if used incorrectly, especially on less supported hardware. The risk isn't that ChimeraOS is a scam, but rather that the project's technical depth and focus on gaming means novice installers may encounter serious configuration challenges, potential boot issues, or unintentionally disrupt their existing system setup if they follow tutorials without understanding the implication. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.